Grab mentality is when people in a group try to bring down or stop others who are doing well or trying to do well. It's like when crabs in a bucket try to climb out, but the other crabs pull them back down. In human terms, crab mentality is when people feel jealous or envious of others.
I heard that the promotion is finally up for grabs. You worked so hard for this, but it seems like someone got their eyes on you. Not a threat, I guess. By the best person. But I already won. What have you done? If I can have it, neither can you. And if I won't be on top, then I will think of dreams.
How to avoid crab mentality? Avoiding crab mentality means being happy for others when they do well and helping them succeed. It is important to create a positive and supportive environment where everyone works together and learns from each other. Remember to communicate openly, set goals as a team, and celebrate each other's achievements.
We, human beings, are aiming for bigger and greater things in life. We have different goals, belief, and purpose.
And if the person around you share their values and desires with you, then don't be the crab that pulls them down.
The only way to succeed is to help others succeed.
Surround yourself with those who only lift you higher.
The greatest success we'll know is helping others succeed and grow.
An individual can make a difference, but a team can make a miracle.
We rise by lifting others.